Would you date a Filipino guy? Can you and me go for a date?
Po?
Can you and me go for a date?
Can I what? Okay lang po.
Ano pangalan mo?
Patricia po.
Patricia, my name is Alejandro.
Hello po, kuya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you po.
Okay, taga saan ka sa atin?
Sa Cavite po, Dasma.
Dasma, Cavite. Okay, here is the question. Would you date a Filipino guy?
Yes po.
Yes po. Yes, ah?
Yes.
Okay. Can you and me go for a date?
Po?
Can you and me go for a date?
Ano po yun?
Can you and me, pwede ba tayong mag-date?
Tayo po.
Yes. Parang sinisipat mo ako maigi ah.
Kuya, ino-on the spot mo ko. Hindi ko pa alam.
Hindi mo alam.
Tagalat Bridge po kasi kami. Tagalat Bridge po kami.
O di, bigay mo na lang sa akin ang number mo. No. Bakit parang nanginginig ka? Huwag kang manginig. Wala na.
Nahiyain po kasi. Nahiya ko, kuya.
Ay, ibig sabihin, ayaw mo makipag-date sa akin? Number?
Self-love era po ngayon.
Ha?
Self-love era po ngayon.
Flavier? Ano? Anong Flavier?
Self-love era.
Flavier?
No more boyfriend.
No more boyfriend? Okay. No more boyfriend after? Or ayaw mo makipag-date sa akin?
Kakatapos ko lang po kasi ng relationship.
Ah, ganun.
Long
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Pero ang ganda mo.
Thank you po.
Ganda na mata mo.
Thank you po.
Perfect at bagay tayo kung sakali. Bye-bye.
Salamat, kuya.
Thank you, thank you. Anong pangalan mo ulit?
AJ!
AJ! My name is Alejandro.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, taga saan ka sa atin?
Batangas.
Batangas! Batangas kumusta ka?
Good!
Ano balita? Saan ka sa Batangas?
Batangas, like city.
Batangas City? Taga San Juan ako.
Oh!
Alam mo San Juan?
Yes! Oh my God, my cousin lives there.
Saan sa San Juan?
I don't know. They catch tilapia, that's it.
Oh, that's cats. Okay, here's a question.
Yes.
Would you date a Filipino guy?
I have.
Right now? You dating a Filipino guy?
Not right now, but I have. Never again, though.
Never again on the Filipino guy?
No.
And why?
Red flags.
Red flag?
Yeah.
Why not to try again? We can make it work.
No, PTSD.
Can you and me go for a date?
No.
No, we can make it work.
Oh, I have a boyfriend. I love him.
Really? Shout out to your boyfriend.
I love you, Pookie.
Okay, thanks AJ.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay, next. Okay.
I'm gonna ask you.
Ay, tapos ka sa akin. Hi, kumusta ganda?
Okay lang mo.
Anong pangalan mo?
Jaya.
Jaya, taga saan ka sa atin?
Cavite po.
Cavite, ang hinhin mo naman. Dalagang Pilipina, yeah. Okay, here's a question. Would you date a Filipino guy?
Would I date a Filipino guy?
Would you date a Filipino guy, yeah?
I've dated Filipino guys.
Ah, yeah? Yeah, can you and me go for a date?
Can I what?
Can you and me go for a date? Why?
I have a boyfriend.
Really? You have a boyfriend?
I'm not interested in have a boyfriend.
Oh, really? You have a boyfriend? Okay, shout out to your boyfriend.
Yes, but Mick, he's in Finland. He's
Ah,
Finnish.
Finland? Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Have fun.